The Rothschild family owns XRP, and this is not a fake story. Today we will explain why the Rothschild has invested in XRP cryptocurrency and now owns XRP. Also, the Rothschilds are working hard to extend their stake in Ripple. Stay until the end to ensure you do not miss a single frame of the stunning XRP future. Before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you do not miss out on getting updates on the crypto market's changes and developments. You can also show your support by liking and sharing the video. Let's get started. In the 1760s, this wealthy family established a banking business. The family was given a noble rank in the Holy Roman Empire in the United Kingdom. Internationally, the banking industry was established in cities such as London, Paris, Frankfurt, Vienna, and Naples. The family business is named after the family house Rothschild. Over time, the family business has undergone a number of changes. They are now diverse in various sectors such as financial services, real estate, mining, energy, agriculture, winemaking, and nonprofits. This was a brief overview of the Rothschild family. Rothschild also walked away from the buy-and-dip strategy and indirectly increased its stake. A $1 billion investment by Rothschild is now extended in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Since April, Rothschild has successfully increased its exposure to Bitcoin by 300%. This represents a significant increase in Rothschild Investment Corp's investment portfolio. Many of us wish for a short-term price increase in such digital assets, but we frequently misunderstand the theory of the crypto market. Short-term games are not intended for volatile markets such as the crypto market. Luck can work in the short term, but for the crypto market, that strategy requires extensive analysis and research. One of the articles in 2016 posted, Rothschild family dumps US dollar for gold and other currencies Bitcoin. Some believe that the global economic climate is deteriorating by the day, with the failures of Cyprus, Greece, Grexit, Argentina, Venezuela, and Zimbabwe now in the rearview mirror. The potential implosion of Italy, Spain, and other countries seeking to leave the European Union appears to be on the horizon. These are trade winds to be read or economic tea leaves. Do you believe what your eyes and ears and the mainstream media are telling you? I say gather all available information from all sources before making an informed decision that will affect your financial future, because it appears that the future is about to be significantly impacted. Bull Deep posted on Twitter, interesting. The Rothschild family has some of their holdings in SBI, which also invested in Ripple and XRP. This is the post of 2019 where he added a link. When we open this document named Edmund D. Rothschild Fund and go down, we can see SBI owns an 8.7% stake in Ripple's XRP. Page number 29. SBI is owned in part by Edmund de Rothschild. So, if we look up the term SBI and see how much Edmund Rothschild owns of SBI, we will find that Rothschild owns 0.56 of SBI. Page number 124 of the same document. Rothschild-backed RIT co-leads funding for crypto platform Aspen Digital. The investment trust founded by Jacob Rothschild, RIT Capital Partners, RCPL, is co-leading funding round for crypto investment platform Aspen Digital, which will fund the development of an online platform that will provide wealthy investors with a single portal to manage crypto investments. According to a statement from Aspen Digital, RIT will lead an $8.8 million fundraising round for the Hong Kong-based company, alongside Liberty City Ventures, an early venture investor in the blockchain industry. According to Yang He, co-founder and CEO of Aspen Digital, this will fund the platform's launch and expansion to London. Chaval Giaravanan and Chaval Giaravanan, members of Thailand's richest family and owners of Fortune magazine, are also investors. Aspen will target family offices and asset managers in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East who want to build a diversified crypto portfolio from a single portal. It is scheduled to go live later this year. London-listed RIT has recently made investments in other crypto-related companies, including the US crypto exchange Kraken. With a 12.39% stake, Jacob Rothschild remains the largest RIT shareholder. Rothschild Investment Corp more than tripled Bitcoin exposure in Q2. The institutional investment manager also increased its holdings in the Grayscale Ethereum Trust by about 5%. In the second quarter, Rothschild Investment Corp more than tripled its exposure to Bitcoin. According to Securities and Exchange Commission documents filed Monday, the Chicago-based institutional investment manager increased its holdings of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares to 141,405 from 38,346 in the previous quarter. Its holdings in the Grayscale Ethereum Trust increased by about 5% to 279,119 from 265,302. The firm's holdings in the BTC and Ethereum, ETH, minus 3.03%, trusts are worth $4.2 million and $6.2 million, respectively according to the filings. These figures compare to first quarter valuations of $1.92 million and $4.75 million. Digital currency group CoinDesk's parent company, owns Grayscale. Rothschild Investment buys $4.75 million initial stake in Grayscale Ethereum Trust. Rothschild Investment Corporation, based in Chicago, recently purchased 265,302 shares of the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, its first investment in the vehicle. The institutional investment manager also increased its holdings in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust by nearly 8,000 shares to 38,346 shares, up from 30,454 shares at the end of 2020. On March 31, the manager's shares in the Ethereum, ETH, minus 3.05%, trust were worth $4.75 million, and its holdings in the Bitcoin, BTC, minus 1.65%, trust were worth $1.92 million according to the manager's disclosure. According to regulatory filings, Rothschild is one of the first name-brand institutional asset managers to seek ETH exposure through Grayscale's trust product. In March, Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain, reached an all-time high north of $2,500. Rothschild Investment adds to Grayscale Bitcoin holdings. Rothschild Investment Corporation, based in Chicago, recently increased its holdings in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to 30,454 shares, a 24% increase from October. The $1.4 billion institutional investment manager disclosed on January 24 that its shares in the trust were worth $975,000 at the end of 2020. Rothschild Investment purchased shares in Grayscale's Bitcoin vehicle in 2017 but appears to have sold them shortly thereafter. In 2019, it resumed purchasing. Why Ripple is the future? Cryptocurrencies are a new technology that has the potential to change the future of a variety of markets. Ripple, officially known as XRP, is one of the crypto assets aiming to shake up an entire industry, specifically, the cross-border payments industry. Ripple's XRP objectives differ significantly from those of Bitcoin. Both offer cryptocurrency users the ability to control their own assets. However, Ripple was designed for speed and to have some of the lowest fees of any crypto asset. These characteristics make it extremely appealing for banks, Ripple's primary target customer, to move large amounts of money quickly and at a low cost. As a result, Ripple is expected to eventually replace SWIFT, the current standard for international bank wires, which includes slow speeds and high fees. Banks have been testing Ripple's XRapid, which uses XRP to transfer funds at breakneck speeds between two third parties. Ripple has the potential to disrupt traditional cross-border payment brands such as Western Union and MoneyGram, and at one point acquired a stake in MoneyGram, sending the stock price skyrocketing. Because Ripple has the potential to become the new standard in a wide range of industries. Ripple has one of the highest long-term price potentials of any cryptocurrency asset. Short and long-term prices can be difficult to predict. However, this guide provides detailed information from industry experts as well as in-depth technical analysis to help provide accurate Ripple price prediction and answer frequently asked questions such as how high will Ripple go? And how much will Ripple be worth in 5 years? Ripple in 2021. Ripple could finally win its court case against the SEC, sending the cryptocurrency to new all-time highs and more than $16 per token. Following the recent crash, there may be a wick through support before lifting off, similar to the previous bull market. If this occurs, XRP may react quickly and powerfully. Ripple price prediction 2022 to 2023. After such a powerful surge from $1 to $16, it could be time for another bear market and accumulation phase. Ripple would have to find support at around $5 to $6. Past bottoms match up with the final support before the peak is put in. Ripple price forecast 2024 to 2025. All markets are cyclical, and while sentiment on XRP can become extremely bearish, as history has shown, the asset will most likely break out and reach new highs. But how high should it go? A pitchfork channel could indicate much higher prices than anyone expects. Ripple has the potential to disrupt many industries, and it is backed by a team of experts at Ripple Labs as well as other investors who are working hard to promote the digital assets adoption. However, it is now confronted with the challenge of being opposed by top US regulators. Analysts and experts anticipate prices of up to $1 in the short term. Analysts predict that prices will rise to between $16 and $100 in the medium term. Longer-term price projections place XRP at highs of more than $100 to $200, but analysts show a variety of scenarios in which a pullback occurs around this time after setting a new all-time high. The live XRP price today is $1.07 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,316,030,574 USD. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is up with 1.19% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 6, with a live market cap of $49,887,230,296 USD. It has a circulating supply of 46,585,282,244 XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, here comes the end of the video. If you liked it, consider liking it, sharing it with your mates, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post updates. If you have any suggestions, drop them down in the comment section. If you like to know more about Ripple XRP, check out our previous videos. Have a good day.